Maryland lawmakers are considering a bill, and if it passes, would provide gender-affirming care for transgender Marylanders.
But this controversial issue continues to draw opposition, and it's not just here in Maryland, but really all across the country we're seeing.
And WJZ is live in Annapolis.
Avajoy Burnett explains what this means and why it has become so controversial. Avajoy.
Well, this bill aims to make it much easier for transgender people to get the medical care that they need so that they could have a body that they identify with. But as you mentioned, this has become a really controversial issue, not only here in Maryland, but across the country. Advocates of the LGBTQ community rallied in Annapolis Tuesday to support the Trans Health Equity Act. The bill would require the Maryland Medical Assistance Program to provide additional medical treatment related to gender reassignment.
We find that there is a mental health impact when people don't look the way that who they fully are.
Studies have found suicide and murder rates are higher in trans communities. Advocates, backed by data from the Department of Health and Human Services, say surgery and medical treatment for trans people save lives.
Everything from physical health care to mental health, it's important because we want more black and brown beings to stop going through the black market operation of things.
But opponents nationwide say they worry that children and even adults will come to regret having irreversible surgery. Some opponents packed the halls of Nebraska's Capitol with similar concerns.
As adults, we understand that a child's brain is not fully formed and cannot comprehend the ramifications of making irreversible medical decisions.
Maryland lawmakers are in the early stages of considering this bill.
So would you be the sponsor of the bill to put a limitation on here that would say minors under 18 may not have surgeries that would alter their body forever?
And you heard it right there. Maryland Republican lawmakers wanted to know if this bill would cause or call for children under 18 to get those gender reaffirming surgeries. And one of the advocates answered that as the bill stands right now, it would not allow for those types of surgeries for minors. Live in Annapolis, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.